Hey guys, welcome back to the kitchen. If you're new here, welcome. And to my subscribers, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how I make my buttery dinner rolls. So if you like these types of videos, just keep watching. I'll start by combining all of the dry ingredients. I'm using instant yeast, so activation is not required. I'll now add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, add a dough hook to my mixer, and mix on low until all ingredients are fully incorporated. This recipe is similar to my homemade bread recipe. The only difference is that I've replaced the water with milk. I've increased the mixing speed to medium. I'll mix for about 2 minutes or until the dough is soft and sticky. If the dough is too sticky, you can add a bit of flour until it's easy to remove from the dough hook. Once dough is removed from the mixing bowl, place in an oil container, cover with a towel, and let rise in a warm area for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, punch dough to release air. Place dough on a non-stick or floured surface, roll into logs, and cut into pieces. You should be able to get 24 rolls, but if not, it's totally okay. To form the rolls, roll dough into balls and pinch the bottoms to seal. Place rolls on a greased sheet pan, cover and let raise for 30 minutes. Once 10 minutes remains in the proofing process, preheat oven to 375 degrees. Bake rolls to 10 to 15 minutes. If you don't like the tops of your rolls too dark, remove at the 10-minute mark or until it's your desired color. Brush the tops with melted butter and enjoy. So moist and soft. Top these with a little butter and you won't be disappointed. As always, thanks for the support. Continue to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified every Tuesday and Friday when I post. Bye!